Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well guys, we've got a short one for you. Last year we did the video on the Dyson V15 detect. And one of the coolest things about this very expensive vacuum was it had a laser fluffy head, and you can turn it on and off, and it just kind of like showed you dust and dirt that you would not normally see. Well, guess what? They came out with the Gen 5. That's what they call this. And now they're saying that this actually has an even better laser. And I got to tell you, the price went up again. Ouch. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and show you, number one, is it bigger? Is it better? We're just going to show the laser part. And then we're going to try to see if this actually works on a Dyson V15 Connect, because maybe you could just go out and buy this instead of buying the new Gen 5. So let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm going to go downstairs in our dining room. I've got some dog hair on the floor still from that girl. I didn't clean it up. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and just show you this one and then show you this one so you can actually see how big the laser is. After that, I'm going to take this new laser fluffy head and put it on the Dyson V15 detect to see if it works. Really simple, short and sweet. Let's go check it out. Okay, it is dark. We're going to start off with the V15 detect. We're going to look at the laser now. So as you can see, the vacuum is to the right side, shooting over to the wall. So you can see how it illuminates. And it's okay. I mean, it definitely does a better job in the immediate area, than it does in the larger picture, right? Now let's go ahead and take a look at the new model, the Gen 5. All right, I'm going to start the Gen 5. There's no trigger. I have to hit the power button. But look at that. I mean, it definitely lights up the area a whole lot more. I mean, look at the wall itself. And again, you've got a bigger area there, but that laser definitely brightens up the area. All right, so let me show you the detect again. Here's the detect. Okay, again, you can see the large area and how much it actually lights up. One last time with the Gen 5. And now the Gen 5 again. And I mean, you can see that area just lit up so much more. So even with light on, you still really can't tell that there's some dirt on this floor. It's just hard to see, in all honesty, even down there. So I'm going to turn off the light and use this V15 detect real quick to show you how much I love it. So here goes. All right, so I just want you to see that this thing, and this is the smaller laser, right? But this thing really does a really good job. And again, as you can see, you're not seeing a lot, right? Let's go ahead and put the other one on real quick and show you how much more it'll broadcast. Ready? I mean, look at that. It actually lights up so much more, as you can see. And it will pick up everything. I mean, and look at the floor now. Do you see how clean that is? I mean, side by side, just looking at what we just picked up and what this thing has here. I mean, it is just insane. Well, guys, I mean, look at that. I mean, you see how much cleaner this is? I love it. This is definitely worth it. And guys, voila. I mean, look at the job this thing did. I mean, it cleaned up with no problem all of this stuff we had. I like it. Now, if you're wondering if your V15 detect will actually work with the new fluffy laser head, right? This is the old one. Well, I'll take that off real quick. We'll put the new one on, and we'll actually see if it works. So there's no on and off button, as you can see. We'll put this on. And I guess just to show you on camera if it'll work. So that does work on the V15 detect. So you can go out and buy that if it's available, by the way. If you just want to buy the fluffy optic laser head, that's kind of good. So guys, not bad. I mean, not bad at all. But for $950, it's insane. I mean, I have a vacuum fetish. I'm not going to kid you. I like Dysons, and I'll buy them on sale. So I'm going to show you why I'm not getting the Gen 5, okay? And I'm actually getting the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. I did not know that they added some of the new features from the Gen 5 on the Absolute. I did not know. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you get with the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. So here's the Dyson V15 Absolute. And as you can see, it's in a brown box because we bought it directly from Dyson. And it looks like they don't ship in the retail box. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick like you know we do. So there it is, everything in the box. And I'll go ahead and show you each piece. But I want to tell you the reason I am sticking with the Dyson V15 Absolute versus the Gen 5. Now, the Gen 5 is, actually that device is owned by a friend of mine. They bought it new, and I asked them if I could use it in my video today. So thank you, first of all. But the Gen 5's $950. I got the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute from Dyson directly for $599, and I got 2 free tools. Now, my original Dyson V15 Detect didn't have some of the functions that I'm going to show you in a minute, just one specific function, all right, besides some free tools. But $599, I just couldn't go wrong. And so what are the huge differences? Well, the new laser on the fluffy head is one of them, okay, compared to the Gen 5. So I'm not going to have that because I'm keeping the Absolute model. The improved HEPA filter in the vacuum itself, I'm not going to have that. But this thing does a phenomenal job, and I don't need that. Some people might. I don't need that. So those are two of the big differences for that $350. Plus, I've got some extra accessories that I don't believe you're getting with the new Gen 5. So let's take a close look at some of the pieces, and then I'll go ahead and show you some of the differences in this Absolute model that I didn't get in my V15 Detect. So number one, I'm getting the laser, right? And it's got the on and off switch, with the smaller laser. That's fine. I've got the motor bar cleaner head, all right, with that anti-tangle comb. So I've got that. And I like this too because it's adjustable. So depending on what you're sucking up, you can actually adjust these bars, as you can see. So When they're all the way down, they'll give you more suction. That's kind of a mid-level. And then that's kind of, it's going to let small particles come through and things like that if you want it open, depending on what you're vacuuming. So, nice tool, very powerful. And again, it's got these combs inside, you see? So it actually brushes these things and then sucks it in and goes in the bin. So nice piece here. Now, this is really interesting. It's the hair screw tool. A small tool, but they're saying that hair won't get tangled in here because as it grabs right here, it then takes it in and it gets sucked up. And this is a powered tool as well. So this is powered. It's not, you know, so the vacuum powers this. Nice small tool to have. Now you do get the, so you don't get a combination tool in this kit because what they did was the combination tool and the crevice tool are combined now. All right, so they call this a combo crevice tool where you'll actually, you know, use this. So this actually replaces both. So it's pretty cool. I like that. You do get a mini soft dusting brush. This is really nice because it's really soft. So that works out well. Okay. You also get a stubborn dirt brush. So this is the harder bristles. Really get that out and suck it up. So I like that. You do get the wand clip. So this actually connects to the wand, and then you can put some tools. You can put 2 tools on this. So for instance, let's say you want to have this with you. And let's say you want to have this with you, right? You take this and you put it on the wand and it stays on the wand. So I like that. I like that. Of course, you get the docking station and the charger. But now, why am I excited about the Absolute even more than my Dyson, V15 Detect? Well, this is a tool that they talk about in the Gen 5, but they don't talk about it too much because they snuck it in on the Absolute, and I don't know how long ago. So you think that this is just a pole, but it's not, because if I hit this button, I now have a hand vac. Check that out, huh? I've actually got a hand vac with a brush or without a brush. And again, just let me see if I can get this in right. There you go. Not bad. The other thing I got as bonus tools was I got a fabric and mattress tool. So this is called a fabric and a mattress tool. So I got that as a bonus. And I got this, and I'm excited about it. It's a low reach adapter. This is really cool because it actually will allow you to get under like your bed and stuff like that. So I like that. And you don't have to always use that, but it's nice. Okay, so I hope going over these tools and showing you everything I got in this package really helped you. Because I got to tell you, I mean, for $599 versus $950, the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is a steal if you can get it on sale. All right, guys, so I'm going to put an image up on the screen right now. And this is a video that we did last year on the V15 Detect. All right, it's a detailed video. It's got some tests in it as well. And I'm going to put a link in the upper right-hand corner in a moment. And you can click that link and you can watch that video. All right, so I'm going to put the link in the upper right-hand corner right now. Well, guys, I hope this video helped you in some way. At least seeing the laser comparison as best as we could do, and especially thinking about maybe the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, especially if Dyson's giving you some free tools. So take a moment, if you could, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that. It really helps the channel. Also, if you're new to the channel, I sure hope you take a moment and subscribe. We would love to have you as a family member on our channel. We love talking with our subscribers and our viewers. And check out our social media up on top. All right. We just joined Threads as well. We'll see how that goes. And check out our new Tesla channel. You know, we just got a Tesla. We've got over 7,000 miles now. And you know what? I have to say, we haven't had any issues whatsoever, and we've only done one tire rotation. It is so nice not to have to wait online at a gas station. And we drive probably about 230 miles a day. We've been doing that for a while now, and it's so quiet. It's so nice. So I hope you take a look at our channel and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for your time.